A properly working car heater is essential for staying warm and safe during cold weather. But when it stops functioning, it can make driving uncomfortable and even hazardous. The most common reason for a car heater not working is low coolant. Your vehicle's heating system relies on engine coolant to transfer heat from the engine to the heater core. If the coolant level is too low due to a leak or evaporation, there will not be enough fluid to circulate and warm the air. Check your coolant level when the engine is cool. If it's low, top it up with the correct mixture of antifreeze and water. A malfunctioning thermostat can prevent your engine from reaching the proper operating temperature. When the thermostat is stuck open, coolant constantly flows through the radiator, keeping the engine too cool and preventing warm air from reaching the cabin. Replacing a faulty thermostat is a relatively inexpensive fix that can restore proper heating and improve overall engine performance. It ensures the heater receives hot coolant efficiently, allowing your cabin to warm up quickly and consistently. The heater core acts like a small radiator that transfers heat from the coolant to the air entering your cabin. Over time, rust, debris, and sediment can build up inside the core, restricting coolant flow. When this happens, you may notice little or no heat, a sweet smell of antifreeze inside the car, or foggy windows. Flushing the heater core may be necessary to fix the problem. This process removes built-up rust, debris, and sediment, allowing hot coolant to flow freely and restoring proper heating in your car cabin. Malfunctioning blower motor is another common reason your car heater may not be working properly. The blower motor is responsible for pushing heated air from the heater core into your cabin. If it fails or operates occasionally, you may notice little to no airflow, or the air may only come out at certain fan speeds. The water pump is responsible for circulating engine coolant through the engine and heater core. If the pump is worn, damaged, or leaking, coolant may not flow properly, which means the heater core will not receive enough hot fluid to warm the cabin. Air trapped in the cooling system can block the flow of coolant to the heater core. This often happens after a coolant flush or leak repair. Bleeding the cooling system to remove air pockets can usually solve the problem and restore proper heat circulation. By understanding the common causes, you will identify and address problems that prevent your car heater from working. Timely maintenance and repairs restore warmth to your cabin. Turn cold mornings into comfortable journey.